Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day-Shaped. My dear students of class 6, today I am going to take your English class. And our today's topic is Assignment 1, which is given by the government. So let's start the class today. Now all of you look at the board. Assign tasks and assessment criteria on the basis of revised syllabus due to COVID-19 2020. And for doing the assignment, we need to take the help of our textbook, that means English for Today book. And now look, you will be given 3 assignments and this is your first assignment. And unit and title of the lesson are, now look, lesson 1, going to a new school, lesson 2, congratulations, well done, lesson 3, a railway station, lesson 4, where are you from. So now look, these are the lessons. You need to go through this lesson at first and then we will do the assigned tasks or assignment. Now look, from lesson 1, what will we do? We will do A1 and B4. And from lesson 2 we will do B2, B3 and from lesson 3 we will do A4. So this is our assignment number 1. I repeat, this is assignment number 1. And for doing assignment number 1, we need to take the help of English for Today book. So at first we will go through the text and we have read those lessons before. And we will go through this lesson again and then we will do the assignment. And now look, there is a submission date of your assignment. Now look, 8/11/2020 to 12/11/2020, that means from next Sunday to Thursday you can submit your assignment. And there is a time also for girls, it is 9 AM to 12 PM. And for boys it is 12:30 PM to 3:30 PM. So this is the time and this is your date. So you will submit your assignment within this time. Okay dear students, and all of you know that this is very important because we will evaluate your assignment and you will be given comment, and it is very important for your next class also. So dear students, now we will know what are in lesson 1, exercise A1. Okay, now look, there is the exercise and all of you can take your English for Today book. It will be helpful for you. You can take the help of your book and you can go to page number 1. Now look, write down similar information about yourself. So write down similar information. So that means there are some information given in your textbook. And what is it? Now look, go to page number 1, lesson 1, going to a new school. There is information about Tarun. Tarun has written about himself. So now we will take the help of those information. Whatever Tarun has written here, and you will do in A1. Okay dear students, which is given in your book, that means in the next page, A1. Okay, now look, what is in the first number 1, my name is dash, so you will write your own name. Number 2, I am dash years old. Number 3, I have dash eyes dash here, and I am dash tall, there's the blanks. Number 4, I am good at dash and dash, so you will write whatever you are good at. Number 5, my hobbies are dash and dash, so you will write your hobbies. Number 6, I like to dash and dash, so whatever you like, what you like or what you dislike, you will write here. Number 7, I really don't like dash, so you will write about yourself actually. And dear students, for doing assignment, now pay attention all of you. For doing assignment, you will show your own creativity. You will not take the help of the guidebook, or you will not copy from anywhere else. You will write it by yourself. You will do the assignment by yourself. Okay, and now look, in your assignment you will write answer to the question number A1. Okay, so from lesson 1, of course you will write answer to the question number A1 like this, and then you will write your answer, and of course you will follow the question number. Okay, and all of you will do your assignment in a white paper. Of course you will do your assignment in white paper. Okay, dear students, and cover page will be given from the school. You will collect it from the Facebook page from our school, and you will follow this one. Okay, dear students, and you must do your assignment in the white paper. So it's better to do offset paper. If it's available, you can use offset paper for doing your assignment, or if there's no offset paper, you can use any white paper for doing your assignment. So dear students, now look, now from lesson 1 you will do B4, and what is given in B4? Write a paragraph on how you felt on your first day at school and why you felt so. So you will write a short paragraph about yourself. I mean, how you felt when it was your first day at school, and why do you feel so? Maybe you can feel happy or excited or nervous. So at first you will write it down, and then we will write why do you feel so. I mean, and then you will write about the feelings, what feelings, and why do you feel like this. Okay, and for writing paragraph, at first you will give a small introduction, then you will relate the incidents. I mean, how was the first day of school, and how is it feel? I mean, how do you feel? I mean, how did you feel, and why do you feel so? And then you will try to give a conclusion. Okay, dear students, and you will write a small paragraph, a short paragraph about yourself. And I repeat, you will write it by yourself. That means you will show your own creativity. You will maintain it. You will not copy from the guide or from anywhere else. And now we will go to lesson. Okay, sorry, I want to add something. Now look, for doing B4 from lesson 1, you can take the help of the passage which is given in page number 2 in B. So you can take the help of this passage. This is about Tarun's first day at school. So you can take the help of your textbook, and you can write the answer of B4. Okay, my dear students, now we will go to lesson 2. Now look, from lesson 2 you will do B2 and B3, and in B2 there are some questions you need to write the answer. And what are the questions? What would you say to somebody who has won a lottery? What would you say to somebody who has lost a football match? What would you say to somebody who has just congratulated you on your good result? What would you say to somebody who has been ill? What would you say to somebody who has been selected for a music program on TV? So there are 5 questions, and you will maintain the number of those questions while you write the answer. Now look, for doing this exercise for B2, you can take the help of your textbook from lesson 2. There are short conversations in different situations. And now look, there is a box on page number 5. You can focus on those words: congratulations, well done, that's marvelous, that's wonderful, great, and you will know how to use it, and all of you will go through those incidents. And now look, go to the next page. There are some incidents, when something not good or not happy, about something not good or happy. You can also focus on the focus on this box. Now look, there are some words: that's hard luck, that's bad luck, I'm sorry to hear that, like this. You can go through this lesson and you will write the answer of those given questions. Now we will do exercise number B3, and what is written there? Make short conversations on the situations given in B2. Now look, there are 5 situations and you will write short compositions on each situation. So there you will write 5 small conversations using those situations. That means using A, B, C, D, E. These are the situations and you will write 5 small conversations using these key points. Okay. So what is the first question? What would you say to somebody who has won a lottery? So at first you will, for B you will write the answer, and then you will, for B3 you will make a short conversation by yourself, by using the answer. Now we will go to lesson 3, and from lesson 3 you will do exercise number A4. Suppose you went to one of the places listed below. Describe what you saw, what were happening and what you did there. And what are given there? Number 1, shopping, place, a shopping place. Number 2, a bus station. Number 3, a fair. And for doing this exercise, you can take the help of the exercise, lesson number 3 and lesson number 4. So now look, you will choose any one, either 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, you will choose any one topic, any one of the places, and then we will describe what you saw there or what were happening there or what you did there. So you will write it by yourself. And now you can look at your book, page number 7. So you can take the help of your textbook. There is a passage about a railway station, and after going through this passage you can write, or you can choose any one topic from here and you will write about it. And these are the keywords. Now look, what you saw, what were happening and what you did there. Or you can also take the help of lesson 4. There are some conversations. You will go through these lessons or conversations and then you can write or describe those places. So dear students, these are all about assignment, and if you have any confusion, if you have any question, you can call me, you can call your teacher, or you can ask it in your live classes. So dear students, I want to repeat the submission date. Now look, your submission date is from 8/11/2020 to 12/11/2020, and for girls the time is from 9 am to 12 pm, and for boys time is 12:30 pm to 3:30 pm. And the assigned tasks are from lesson 1 you will do A1, B4, and from lesson 2 you will do B2, B3, and from lesson 3 you will do A4. And for doing your assignment you will take the help of the text of your English for today book. And what are the texts? Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 and lesson 4. And this is your first assignment in English, and you will be given 2 more assignments. That means there will be 3 assignments in English. In total there will be 3 assignments in English, and this is your first assignment. And all of you will submit your assignment on time, on due time. And it's very important, we all know it, we will evaluate it, and it's very important for your next class. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. So see you again in your next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.